Add royalty-free music, text, video clips, animations, and other media to enhance your video with TechSmith assets in Camtasia. To get started, click on the Media tab and select Assets. Click and type a search term. Let's add an outro to the video to remind viewers to subscribe to our channel. Type YouTube in the search bar and scroll through the results. Some results are free, and others with the premium icon require a subscription to TechSmith assets. Once you find one you like, click and drag it to either the canvas or the timeline. You'll see this screen while it downloads. Now it appears on the timeline. To preview it, click and drag the playhead to the start of the clip you added and press play. To customize the outro, click to select it on the timeline and go to the Properties panel. I'll update the text to match my brand. Let's explore other options that are available in the Asset Store. To view the different types of assets, click on the drop-down arrow. The main categories include customizable titles and motion graphics, video, audio, and photos. Select to narrow down the search results to free assets only. Let's add another asset to our video. Let's look for a calendar reminder animation. Go to Video, then click Animation. Type Calendar into the search bar. Double-click on the asset to preview it. Click and drag it to the canvas or timeline. To move it around on the canvas, click and drag it around until it's in the ideal position. We'll add one more asset to our video. Let's add some footage of someone typing a script to the beginning of the video. Click the arrow drop-down, select Video, then Footage. Let's search for laptop. Click and drag the footage to the timeline. To make space for the footage, move the playhead to the point in the timeline where space is needed. I'll add it to the beginning of this video. Press and hold the Shift key, then move the playhead down the timeline until we've made enough space. To save an asset to use in future projects, right-click on the asset on the timeline and select Add to Library. Choose the library you'd like to save it to and click Add. When you want to use it again, go to the Library tab and drag it to your canvas or timeline. Have fun creating, and thanks for watching!